Hi guys, I want to give you a little peek of all the things that I've harvested this year and all of my medicine making. So these are different herbs that I got. So this is fall. Lots of hard work here. Many hours of harvesting. So they're the things that I use a lot of, like these products, so they're really close proximity to my workspace. And then I have, these are all big gallons, I guess. Here's some of my herbs up here. This is on top of my cupboards. These are huge jars, by the way, guys. Here's all my machines that I infuse things with. There's some oils. Back to the jars. There's more up here. Lots of work. Okay, I will show you my cabinets. This is a huge cabinet. Goes right to the ceiling pretty well. My herbs are up there. So the top is all capsules to fill things. There's oils there, medicinal oils. Here's more medicinal oils. And then down here is all tinctures. Many tinctures. Some really big ones too. Down here are my oils and honeys, my turpentines, more oils, some pain meds that I made. On the bottom is my grinders and other infused oils that I made. So there's that cabinet. Beside that cabinet. Then over here we have infused honeys and more tinctures, kinds of tinctures. Down here is infused honeys and more tinctures, kind of mixed up the honeys and the tinctures. More goodies and more goodies. Things I use to build my Pure Gum Spirit cubes are in there. So that's my small picture cabinet. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah. And then over here, I have backup medicines and oils and powders. More all extra stock and different medicines in here. And then more tinctures and oils in here that I really use a lot, so they're close to the stove for me. So that's some of the things I work with, guys. In here are my, out there, they're all my infusion machines right over there. And I don't have enough room on my counters, so all of my dehydrators are out here. They're always working full time at a good rate. Lovely. Some mullein I just got yesterday. Some of my products out here. I moved all of my other products out to my motorhome. That's now my shop that people will come to and go in and look at my stuff. So this is what I've been up to this summer. I love my life. I can't sing, but I'm joyful. Woohoo! Oh yes. Oh yes.